Good morning to all. Today we are discuss about noun and kinds of noun. So first we are discuss about noun. A noun is the word used to the name of person, place and thing. Do we know that? Noun means word used as the name of person, place and things. That is the simple definition of noun. Now we are discuss about kinds of noun. So mainly two kinds of nouns. First is countable and second is uncountable. Countable and second is uncountable. So what is countable noun? So countable noun are the name of the object and peoples you can count. Just like example, book, pen, apple, boy, sister, doctor. Now the second is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means the name of the thing which you cannot count, just like milk, oil, sugar, gold, honesty. So now I write the definition of countable and uncountable and such examples. So countable noun means the names of objects, peoples you can count. Just for example, book, pen, sister, boy, etc. And second is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means the name of things which you cannot count. Just like example, milk, oil, sugar, honesty, whatever. So now the two types of noun. Now again we are discuss about some kinds of nouns. First is proper noun. What is proper noun? The proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. The name of some particular person or place. That is the simple definition of proper noun. And the second is common noun. What is that? The common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing of the same classes of kind. The name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Now we are discuss about one example and more example what is proper noun and common noun. So let's start our examples. The first example is Hari is a teacher. So just like Hari that is indicate the person name. So you also call that is the proper noun. And a teacher. Teacher is the common noun, common for all, because teachers, male person and female person also you are called teacher. So that is the common noun. Now the second example. Sita is a girl. So that is the girl. So common to everyone, that is the common noun. But Sita is a proper noun because that is indicate a proper girl. Now the next, we are discuss about collective noun. What is that? So collective noun means the name of the number or person or thing taken together and spoken as the one whole. Just like an army, you also called collective noun. Police, that is the collective noun. You also call crowd. So what is the definition of collective noun? So collective noun means the name of a number person or thing taken together and spoken of as whole. The last is a noun, that is abstract noun. I here mentions abstract noun. What is abstract noun? So abstract noun means the name of quality, action or state considered apart from the object to the which is belonging. The name of the quality, state and action. Just example, honesty, that is the quality. Just like childhood, that is the state. Goodness, that is the quality. And action you also called movement, that is the state. And thank you for your time. Good day.